Okay, another floor by Peninsula Floating Floors. Sorry it's a bit dark. It's 21mm French oak in Crema. Never done one before, but yeah, it's only a small little granny flat, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Oh, new iPhone works nicely. Yeah, nice and central. Left plank 136, right plank 135. Oh well. But yeah, it's really nice. You get the first rows right, you tap in, there's no gaps whatsoever in any end butts or any side joints. So yeah, really pleased. Tiny one, but there you go. It's got a slight white sort of tint to it, but generally looks like a natural oak. Okay, thanks for watching.